Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to enter corporation tax in Xero. Entering corporation tax in Xero is one of those accounting tasks where understanding the logic matters more than memorizing clicks. Corporation tax is not just another expense, it's a liability owed to the government based on company profits. Because of that, many businesses record it through manual journals to ensure the financial statements reflect the correct tax obligation. Corporation tax is commonly entered using a manual journal because it may not come from a normal invoice or bill transaction. Start by logging into your Xero account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you can access the journal entry area. At the top right corner, click Plus button.
From the drop-down menu, click Manual Journal.
What a manual journal is. A manual journal lets you directly enter accounting adjustments into the ledger. Unlike invoices or bills, journal entries affect accounts directly, require debit and credit balancing, are often used for accountant-level entries. This is where accounting principles become very visible. Under the narration field, write corporation tax and the year of it. Now enter the journal date. The date determines which accounting period the entry belongs to when the tax liability appears in reports. Now fill in the journal lines. This includes description, account, tax rate, debit amount, credit amount. Once everything is correct, click Post. What happens after posting? Xero now records the tax expense, the tax liability, the journal adjustment in your ledger. Your financial statements update accordingly. What you just did, big picture. You recorded a corporation tax obligation, updated your profit and loss statement, updated your balance sheet liability, created an official accounting adjustment. You essentially translated tax obligations into accounting records. Why corporation tax entries matter? Proper corporation tax recording affects profit reporting, financial statements, tax compliance, year-end accounting accuracy. To summarize, entering corporation tax in Xero begins by logging into your account and opening the manual journal section through the plus button at the top right corner. After entering a narration such as corporation tax and selecting the appropriate date, you fill in the journal details, including the description, account, tax rate, debit amount, and credit amount. Once the journal balances correctly, clicking Post records the corporation tax expense and liability into your accounting records. This process helps ensure your financial statements properly reflect the company's tax obligations. And that's how to enter corporation tax in Xero. Journal entries like this are where accounting moves from simple bookkeeping into actual financial reporting logic, so accuracy matters a lot. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.